Alright, so, this is another rating video with Camlock, and someone suggested me to, do a, mobile thing, but I'm on PC, but this should work for mobile. If you're on PC, the button to lock onto somebody is, Q. It's a pretty ask me. Like really blatant. Love that rev. But I'm a rev demon. Just kidding, I'm locking. Anyways, but if you're like, bro, how is it mobile if you're on PC? Look, let me look at somebody, and if you're it's just the same thing as pressing with your fingers, so look, it still locks on. I'm not on the wrong person. But yeah, so that's how you do it on mobile. Okay, so yeah. Okay, what is that? Why would you pick me up? You broke the macro. Like, what is your problem, bro? Come on now. I was about to crash out if my mic wasn't on. I had to look down and make sure it was. And it is, so that's good. Okay, so yeah, let's keep rating. Let's just go for the people that didn't help me. So let's go for... Oh my god, that was such a curve. Bro, it's so easy to lock in these games because their aim system and they don't put anti-cheats, which is just so easy. You just look up anti-cheat on Roblox Studio. They just don't want to give anyone credit for their game because they're all greedy, that's why. I swear. They literally have to make everything, and if they don't, they make it made for them and like made it custom made in their name. Or they make it themselves. You get hella money for making games like this. You make a good game, and you make a good thumbnail, and make a good bio, and put your social links and shit. And you publish the game, and you promote it for at least 5,000 Robux, and your game will at least have 100 players continuously for at least a little bit. You'll make more than 5,000 Robux from people buying your stomps from bullet colors. But yeah, I'm just trying to rate. I got distracted. Hold on, wait. There. Bro, come on now. You gotta be playing with me, bro. Ah. Alright, let's go. Dot dot. Dot dot. Look at your outfit, bro. Come on now. Look how fire this is. Bro, come on now. Yeah, kill that. What's his name? Easy. Yeah, you're right. Easy. Look at his fit. Look how crazy he is. You don't want to look beautiful like me. Yo, what was that? Oh, blog Zen. Yep. Cold. Haha. Oh my god, who are you? Please, leave me alone. I don't like this. Ah! Anyways, I'm just playing. I'm not a fucking weird bitch. Yes, I am. I'm just playing. I don't know. Probably. Who knows at this point? But anyways, let's freaking go, dude. What is my... Oh my... Oh, I was like one click away. But so yeah, but this is the lock. It's not that good of a lock, unless you're on good ping. If you want good ping and you're in a game, just click the little gear. I don't know if you're new to the hood or not, but click the little gear. It can be, usually if you're in normal the hood, it's gonna be at the bottom. You scroll down, and you don't have to scroll down, by the way, if you're in normal the hood. And you click on, you turn on low GFX, and it won't turn on, so don't spam it or you'll turn it off. Just click it, and the toggle, it will stay red, by the way. So don't spam it, it turns on, and then it will make your game not like lag if you're laggy and stuff. So yeah, and it'll give you better ping. Oh, I can't do that no more. That's gonna be a 3v1. I can't call it, bro. I have no friends. Yeah, bitch. Come on, come outside. Fuck you. Fuck! Bro, come on. My aim. Just get locked. Just get locked. Look at mine, bro. My aim is complete butt too. It's okay. Usain Kyle. Who the fuck is Usain Kyle? Oh my god. This guy is such a bot, bro. Your movement is butt. You gotta start moving like this. You gotta get that COD movement. Yeah. That shit was not funny, my bad. Oh my god, of course I fucking was just sitting there like a fucking little bitch on that bench. Alright, bro. I'm low-key getting tired of this. I'm about to crash out. Alright. But, okay. So dude, we literally have to slide on the ops. Oh my god, I fucking died! Oh my god, bro, this shit is so annoying. I hate getting fling out the map, bro. Put an anti-fling in your game, bro. It's not that fucking hard. Yeah, bitch. Couldn't even see you. That's how good this lock is, bitch. Yo, I'm getting 30. Yo, what the fuck am I doing? It's a pixel game. Yo, what the fuck? Hold on, fucking bottle cap. I was trying to chill on that shit. Yeah, slide. Oh my god, of course. You gotta be kidding me, bro. I swear if he spawns back here. Bro, are you serious? How? Finally. I'm pretty sure I got carried. Oh no, I didn't. Bro, my spider senses are tingling. I bet he spawned up here. My spider senses. See what I'm telling you, bro? My spider sensors are that good, bro. Yo. What's up, bro? Why you doing that? Why? What did I do to you? You're fucking bully. Okay. Oh, it's an op, bro. Destroy all ops. What the fuck? Okay, I need that guy's lock. I will find a lock like that and showcase it. And bruh, my shit only got 12 views, bro. That shit made me mad, bro. 12 views? I mean, it's my first video, but I don't really care. Like, 12 views? Come on, bro. This is YouTube. Oh my god, fucking god. He's using C-frame speed. You're so fucking awesome for that. That's such a talented skill. You're a fucking weirdo, bro. Acting like I can't fucking do that right now. Like, I hate people that do that stupid shit. I can literally do that right now. Look at this. Oh my god, my shit is broken. Oh my god. Bro, what the fuck? This lock cannot keep up with same C-frame speed, so I bet if you were macroing, it probably can't either. If he's using C-frame. But I guess he just gave up on that shit for... Oh shit, I just beamed his dumbass. Okay. I bet that, I promise you, as soon as I get up, I'm fucking beaming the fuck out of you. You're fucking bullying me. You're supposed to let me kill you, you fucking faggot. Oh, maybe I shouldn't say slurs. Dang. Yo, I'm getting banned. Lucky, I'm cooked. I don't care. You're gonna cancel me for saying that? I got 12 views, and you don't. So suck my fucking dick. Bro, they made me try hard too bad. Now we gotta get the Fortnite scar. Look how fucking giant the Fortnite scar is, bro. Shit like merges into your head. Hunting rifle? Is it the Fortnite hunting rifle? Oh yeah, we might do some Fortnite videos. No, this is not the Fortnite hunting rifle. Maybe the purple hunting rifle and the golden one, but nah, I don't really think. Well, let me use my normal aim. Oh yeah, that's a lock, bro. His shirt, I'm pretty sure this shirt says some shit like I don't lock here just easy. Because I think I had that shirt. Is that him? HJ card. Oh, never mind. Born to say okie dokie, forced to say. Okay, bro, what the heck? I mean, shit. It's not a bad lock, like, at all. But, okay, bro, I'm low-key getting tired of this. I'm so bad. How am I dying with, like, blatant-ass lock? Bro. I mean, you can keep up with macros, definitely. Let's just get people C-frame. But I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys have a good day. That was a good 14-minute video, so that was 2 minutes longer than I was planning because I'm trying to make my videos only like 12 minutes long or 11 minutes, I don't know. But, yeah. So, have a good day, bro. And, yeah. I'll see you guys.